Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing 1 lb boneless chicken cut into 1-inch cubes and set aside. In a bowl, combine 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tsp salt, and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste to form a creamy base. Add 1 tsp garam masala, 1 tsp ground cumin, 1 tsp paprika, and 1 tsp chili powder for color and warmth. Stir in 1 tablespoon oil to help adhesion, then coat the chicken thoroughly and refrigerate covered for at least 2 hours or overnight for best flavor. Thread marinated pieces onto metal or soaked wooden skewers, leaving about 1/2 inch between pieces for even heat. Preheat a grill to high, about 450 degrees F, or set an oven to 425 degrees F with the broiler on and a rack 6 inches from the heat source. Oil the grates lightly to prevent sticking. Cook the skewers 8 to 10 minutes, turning once halfway through, until you see charred edges and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F. Rest skewers 5 minutes before serving to redistribute juice. When the chicken is cooked and rested, brush each piece with 1 tablespoon melted butter or ghee for shine and richness, then squeeze 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice over the top to brighten flavors. Arrange the tikka on a platter with thinly sliced onions and chopped cilantro, and offer 2 tablespoon mint coriander chutney per person as a dipping sauce. Serve with warm naan or rice. Refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours. Store in an airtight container and use within 3 days for safety and best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.